36 dumpsters,
36
dumpsters of garbage. We did the roof as soon as we bought the building.
You want to happen to have access to the roof?
I do not. What's going on? How you doing?
I'm doing good. How you doing?
I'm Terry.
Brandon.
Brandon, nice to meet you. Where do you want to start?
Let's start on the outside. I also have a couple questions. I'd rather do it inside. It's too hot outside.
Okay. We have 3 restaurants.
This is your whole building?
Yeah.
What's the square footage of this? Do you know?
30,000.
30,000. How long you own this for?
About a year and a half. We've been remodeling it for the last 18 months.
How many employees do you know about?
No idea.
No idea. Okay, so this is the type of business is this? Business number 1?
Yeah, this is a restaurant.
Restaurant. Business number 2 is another restaurant.
2 is restaurant. Business 3 is a restaurant.
Okay, all 3 restaurants.
We can walk through Acapulco's and see this.
Absolutely.
These guys aren't here, so.
For sure. Do you know how long they've been in there for?
This been here. This has been here 28 years.
28 years.
It's been here 6, and they've been here 4.
6 years. And number 1, pregame 4. Okay.
All right. You want to walk inside of this place?
Yes. Yep. You just take a picture of the. Perfect. Were you able to get the sprinkler reports?
No, but I'll send them to you. My son's not back yet. My son's the one doing this project. I'm just an old man that walks around and meets people when he can. This is the restaurant. This is the bar. Dining room.
I need fire extinguishers and stuff.
Stay seated. We're good. How are you? So everything is sprinkled.
Yeah.
We'll just go walk around.
Is there like a basement where the sprinkler system is?
I'll show it to you. It's in the other room. It's in the other.
And this
Talking about the main hookup.
Yep.
You want to walk through the kitchen?
Oh yes, please. There's the grill.
Grill's over here.
Principal que dio es el momento de aprobar la ley.
All right. You just stopped.
I didn't realize they didn't tell me it was 3 businesses in one.
Yeah. So this is
Okay.
obviously the bar area.
Yep. All right, here we go. You know the hours of business is posted on the wall probably.
They're all open 7 days a week,
7 days a week.
except pregame down there. Closed on Mondays. So they don't open till 5 o'clock.
Pre-game, closed Mondays, don't open till 5. You know the hours of this?
They're open. They open at noon till 10 o'clock at night.
Mexican. Pre-game as well?
No, pregame doesn't open till 5 o'clock.
5 till.
5 till like 10, 11.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Yep.
This place is open for breakfast, not breakfast, lunch and dinner, 6 days a week.
6 days a week, closed Mondays. Do you know the hours?
Noon till 10 o'clock. No bars stay open late.
Yeah, yep.
So you got your line. How are you? You got your line. Sorry, we'll be out of here.
Excuse me.
Just for delivery.
Okay.
Garage door goes up. There's kind of an employee section, and that's the owner's office there.
Oh, what's the type of piping? And you said the sprinkler system is.
Oh, it's right here.
Okay.
I hope it's open. If not,
And it's the whole building for the whole.
Sir, do you have a key for this? He's pushing. Oh,
It's the good stuff. I'll get back there, a service tag. Oh, these are also, you have also apartments too.
yeah. What we did here is we bought this building and we emptied the building out. And we were finishing the 3rd floor with 8 apartments.
8 apartments.
I'll take you up there and show you,
Okay.
but I'll show you what we got here. Now, this is an apartment here. He came with the building. We kept it. His apartment was done.
This is how many apartments on this floor?
There's only one occupied right now. The rest are going to be apartments. We're going to restart it in the fall.
Okay, and this is how many areas?
What do you mean?
How many apartments?
There'll be 8
Yeah.
here and 8 upstairs.
Okay, so 8. So 16 altogether,
16 all.
and one occupied.
This one is occupied. It's the only one occupied on the 2nd floor.
Upstairs, all of them is occupied upstairs.
I'll show you when we get there. This is going to be 2 apartments. There's a divide, not that you need to know this, but there's a dividing wall here. It's going to be a big 1-bedroom. This is going to be an efficiency apartment. And this one over here will be another. This is 1, 2, and 3 apartments.
So it can be 3. This will be 3 apartments.
Yep.
Okay.
All that is dead. If you're doing, we had everything
you-
disconnected. There's no electric.
Oh, so you gotten everything.
We got it and put in all brand new circuit breaker boxes.
Okay, you got
everything. The entire place from the meters forward is all
Okay.
brand new wiring. I'll show you that.
Yeah, for sure. Yep.
These are all going to be apartments. This is going to be a small little efficiency.
Yep.
The wall comes here, little kitchen, small little apartment. Then we're going to give that bathroom to that unit. We'll
Okay.
give this bathroom to this unit.
Yeah.
You know, we gutted the whole thing. You could see that. All this stuff's been disconnected, and none of it
None of it's out. None of it's running right now.
yeah, none of it works. We had it all. It was a fire hazard. This is another, this thing's getting a bedroom to here. Then what happens down here is this is gonna be 2 more apartments down here. This building's 125 years old.
125 years old.
120. This is okay. 125 years.
And then this is 2 more apartments here. But again, we're gonna work with the architect to do these.
So you're gonna show me the electric
Yeah.
panels.
We're gonna go up to the next one. All the panels have been disconnected.
Okay. What about when last time you got the roof? How about the roof? Are you getting a roof?
Brand new.
Roof brand new.
Yeah.
Do you know when they replaced it on roof?
I'll show you in, here, let's just go up this way. All right, so what happens now is all these apartments have been done. We'll go around here.
Wow. Yeah.
We'll start over here. So there's 2 apartments here.
Each unit has its own fuse box. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Oh, you got 2 1-bedroom apartments here. 1-bedroom apartments here. These are done and these are rented.
So those are
Those are rented also.
rental. So 4 are occupied up here on this floor.
7 are occupied.
Okay.
I'll show you the one we're finishing. This guy's moving in on July 1st. Which you can see what we do. So this is the same, and every unit's the same here.
Oh, so every unit will be like this.
Here's the,
Perfect.
the brand new fuse box, circuit breaker box, whatever they call it, breaker box. Hustle, we gotta get this guy in 6 days.
6 days. You're gonna do this in 6 days.
Yeah, we'll get it done.
This is gonna be the hookup.
I'm gonna see if I can get you into one that's totally done. Call Brian Castellani. This is the only one we put splits in. Everything else has
Central.
central air.
Oh, perfect.
What number is that on there?
That's 302.
Somebody act like it's hot.
Would the alarm go off if I Open this?
You open
Do you have a key to open this?
it's a brake,
Oh, it's a brake one, okay.
brake class. And then you open it from the inside. Okay.
Perfect. Okay, so
This is what that looks like done.
Just get in here, I'm not gonna snow cop. Better idea.
Yeah, the other one, it's tough to see.
Yeah, it's a better idea. Thank you.
Again, here, I just want to, again, everyone has brand new circuit breaker boxes. Everything's been wired.
Yep.
Show you this. So what we did is we split this as a utility room for 303 and 302. Here's the central air. Don't fall.
Yep.
That's how we get rid of garbage.
So you get rid of
It
garbage?
falls down onto a mattress down there. We did the entire building like that.
Wow, there's one hole just.
Yeah, just one hole. We took out 36 dumpsters, 30-yard
36?
dumpsters of garbage.
How long?
36.
It's crazy.
Think about it. This place was to here with garbage. The guy that did it didn't care about the place.
Yeah, this is perfect.
As a matter of fact, that should be covered. I don't know why they didn't do that.
You want to happen to have access to the roof?
I do not.
Okay.
But the roof is just done. We did the roof as soon as we bought the building. That was the first place that leaked like a sieve. Let's go walk up there. Maybe we can get out there. I don't know. See what happens.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Verizon Tower.
Yep.
That's a Sprint tower.
And this is the sprinkler system tower? Okay.
Then no Sprint Tower.
Well, Sprint tower.
Well, you can see that roof there. We had actually all flashbang. That's
Yeah.
great. This has all been the Gapler seal coat.
Yeah. You said there's no basement?
No basement.
Each unit has its own. You know how close the closest fire department or fire hydrant is?
The fire department is a quarter mile north.
Quarter mile.
No, we're gonna go this way.
Okay.
Well, we should go through the stairwell. Yes, you can see that.
It's 3 stories, yep.
3 stories.
Yep.
All right, and then over here, this is a 2-bedroom unit, the only 2-bedroom on the 3rd floor.
Okay.
But she's gone.
Yep.
And this is it.
This is it. Yeah, I'll be texting you probably a little later today.
You can call me.
I
I tell people, you call me till 9 o'clock at night with the phone.
all right. And when you get a chance, I'll send you my email. You could just email me over the sprinkler system.
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
Yeah, we've been, because now you have to have a sprinkler system, one
Yeah.
above the ceiling,
Yeah.
below the ceiling, every closet, every room.
Yeah.
So we've been redesigning this whole thing. The Break Fire is the name of the company that
Break
did all
fire.
the work.
Oh, break fire did it.
Break Fire.
That's about it. I'm just gonna take photos of the front, side, and back, and I'm out your way. Thank you so much. I
Call me-
appreciate you.
Call me when you.
Oh, I'm gonna need you, man.
No, this is a big old building.
Yeah.
Te digo, con hambre, estoy buscando.
Let me see,